Hello, and welcome again to Portuguese for Beginners. I am Filipa, your Portuguese teacher, and I will guide you again today. Let's get started. Our last lesson involved a lot of vocabulary around food, so we are just going to focus on the words that were new. Just repeat after me. Talheres, garfo, faca, colher, preciso, uma, loiça, prato, taça, copo, caneca. Okay, great. Let's move on to today's lesson. Today, we are going to review two previous lessons. Lesson 7, about animals, and Lesson 8, about physical exercise. Do you remember both? Okay, let's go then. We will start with the animals. Animais. Animais. We have gato, gato, cão, cão. Remember the sign over A? You'll have the sound an. Cão. Pássaro, pássaro. Elefante, elefante. Leão, leão. Urso, urso. Cavalo, cavalo. Tigre, tigre. Touro, touro. And the funny word. Tartaruga, tartaruga. Porco, porco. Vaca, vaca. Ovelha, ovelha. When you have L and H together, you have the sound L. Pato, pato. Okay, now some verbs related with this subject. Correr, correr. Andar, andar. Saltar, saltar. And now the adverbs you've learned in the lesson 7. Do you remember? Depressa, depressa. Devagar, devagar. Okay, and this one is new. Alto, alto. Means high. And we have the first exercise of today. You just have to replace the categories in red. So it would be o cavalo, and now a verb and an adverb. O porco, and the same, verb and adverb. E o tigre, and the verb and an adverb. Okay? Did you come up with something similar to this? Well, this is just an example. O cavalo corre depressa. O porco anda devagar. O tigre salta alto. Okay, so let's move on to the second part of this lesson. Remember lesson 8 about exercise or exercício? Exercício físico? Let's recall it. Fazer exercício or fazer exercício físico just means to do exercise. And it can be from swimming to running to fitness. And both options are correct. If you just say, vou fazer exercício, the word físico is implied. So let's remember some of the options around this subject. We have nadar, which means to swim. Nadar. Dançar, which means to dance. Dançar. And we also have andar de bicicleta. Andar de bicicleta. To ride a bike. And jogar. To play. Like in English, this one is very comprehensive. You may use it to say, I'm going to play football. Vou jogar futebol. But also to state, I'm going to play Monopoly, PlayStation, cards. At the same time, it does not work with musical instruments. Jogar. Is this clear? Okay, moving on we have suar. Suar. To sweat. And finally, the ways of expressing preference. Gosto, I like. Não gosto, I don't like. Gosto. Não gosto. And adoro, I love. Não adoro, I don't love. Adoro. Não adoro. And another practice for today. Just fulfill the red categories with the studied options. Okay? Let's start. Gosto de. Não gosto de. Adoro. For example, gosto de gatos. Não gosto de correr. Adoro cavalos. Did you think of something close to this? Very good. If not, just go back and practice a little more. So today we had a big review of other lessons, so I believe we don't need a final review. Congratulations and see you on the next one.